I am going to give you a quick tour of the One Button Studio Pro version 4. This is an automated self-service presentation recording studio. Everything you see in this room is part of this turnkey kit. This has a couple of extras that I'm showing here. One of those is the digital light board. Lets you write and draw right over the top of the live video. The other is what we call the Zoom add-on, and it's actually this teleprompter here, which lets you send the output of the system into a Zoom meeting or another video conferencing software. So the user comes into the room, they simply follow the on-screen instructions, right? Do that, and you'll see that immediately the studio lights come on. This is it right here, the one button. We click that, we actually get a recording countdown on the screen, as you can see here, and then a recording light comes on. I'm throwing in a quick sample of what our chroma keying looks like, what the output of the system looks like. Right now you're actually just seeing the green screen behind me, but I'm going to switch on a background so you can see the really nice effect that this is. We're using Blackmagic Design Ultimatte hardware to do the keying, and even with bad hair, the key looks good. This is the One Button Studio Pro version 4. Everything you see here is available as part of the kit, aside from my laptop. Feel free to reach out with questions. I'm happy to do live demos with the system. There it is.